Hi students, welcome back to a new grammar class. In this class, we will learn in detail about articles. The words a, an and the are called articles. Before we move on to the topic proper, let us now understand about vowels and consonants. Out of the 26 alphabets in English language, the letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. The remaining letters are called consonants. Articles can be classified as indefinite and definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. They do not point out to any particular person or thing. The is the definite article. It is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. A is an indefinite article and it is placed before a consonant sound. An is also an indefinite article but it is placed before a vowel sound. The is a definite article and it can be placed either before a consonant sound or a vowel sound. The choice between a or an is determined by the sound of the first letter of the word. Note that some words will begin with a vowel but will not have a vowel sound. அதாவது indefinite articlesல a யூஸ் பண்ணணுமா இல்லை an யூஸ் பண்ணணுமா அப்படின்றத நிர்ணயிக்கிறது அந்த வார்த்தையில் இருக்க முதல் எழுத்தினுடைய உச்சரிப்பை பொறுத்து தான் இருக்குது. ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் வவல்ல ஆரம்பித்தாலும் அதனுடைய சவுண்டு வவல் சவுண்டு இருக்காது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், we say a 1 rupee coin because it begins with consonant sound v. Let us learn about the uses of a, an indefinite article. A is used before singular nouns or adjectives beginning with consonant sound. Example, a boy, a table, a brave girl. அதாவது ஏதோ ஒரு பையன், ஏதோ ஒரு டேபிள், ஒரு தைரியமான பெண். And a is used before nouns beginning with vowels and have consonant sounds. Example, a university, a European, a one-eyed man. Let us now learn about the uses of an indefinite article. An is used before singular nouns or adjectives beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an elephant, an inkpot, an aeroplane. An is used before words beginning with H where H is silent. Example, an hour, an honest man, an honorable chief guest. இந்த வார்த்தைகள் கான்சனண்ட்ல ஆரம்பிச்சாலும் வவல் சவுண்டில் உச்சரிப்பதால் அந்த இடத்துல நம்ம an யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். We use an before abbreviations beginning with a vowel sound. Example, an MA begins with A. An IAS begins with I sound. An MBBS begins with A sound. So we are using an before these abbreviations. Now we are going to see the uses of the. The is a definite article. இதை நம்ம தன்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லை தீன்னு சொல்லலாம். த அப்படிங்கிறத கான்சனண்ட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி சொல்லுவோம், தி அப்படிங்கிறது வவலுக்கு முன்னாடி சொல்லுவோம். Now let us learn about the uses of the definite article the. The is used when we talk about a particular person or a thing. For example, the captain rejoiced the victory. Here, the captain refers to a particular captain who celebrated his victory. The mobile you wish to buy is outdated. Here in this sentence, the mobile refers to a particular model that you wish to buy. We use the before a singular noun which is used to indicate the entire group or class. For example, the computer is a boon to mankind. In this sentence, the computer refers to computers in general. Similarly, the audience enjoyed the show. In this sentence, the audience refers to the group of spectators in general. We use the before names of oceans, seas, rivers, mountains, deserts, islands, kingdoms, and so on. The Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, the Philippines, and so on. Before names of certain well known books and newspapers, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Hindu, the Times of India. The is used before names of unique things, the sun, the earth, the sky, the moon, etc. Before directions, the east, the west, the right side, and so on. Before superlative degrees, the tallest, the cleanest, the most intelligent. Before ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the sixth, and so on. The is used before names of musical instruments, the piano, the guitar, the violin. It is used before adjectives used as a noun. The poor must be supported. Here, the poor refers to poor people. The rich should help the poor. Here, the rich refers to rich people. When we talk about a particular person or thing already referred to, we have to use the. The girl who won the prize was my cousin. Here, the girl refers to the one who won the prize. Here are some examples for you to understand this topic better. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.